Dell here, following up on one of our commenters asked us about this other brand of pizza, which we have now, and we're going to try it out. And we have some, I take it this is garlic bread in here. Is that garlic bread? Okay, so we've got some garlic bread as well, and some marinara sauce. Looks like there. So I don't know, you put the marinara sauce on the garlic bread? Is that how that works?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. So let's open this up and we'll show you what this lovely pizza looks like. And I don't want it to go sliding anywhere, so I'll just put this out here. And let's see, give it the taste test. I see some boundaries right here. Let's see if we can get this off here so we can tell you what it tastes like. And this is the pan style pizza, so you can see that the crust is a little bit thicker on the bottom. And not bad. Got a pizza you taste, you got the cheese, you got the, what are these dark green things?
Spinach?
Spinach, yeah, spinach. Okay. And, this is not too shabby. This is not bad. Okay, so we'll try the bread.
Yep. So I think you just rip it apart. It should be perforated.
I see. It's already, is that it right there?
Yeah, try that.
Like that?
It's going to be hot in the middle.
Hot in the middle. And so I should try a little bit of garlic or marinara sauce on that. I never did that before. I always just ate the, well, I see, I think you dip it in there, don't you?
Yeah, try that.
Okay, so I'll get this down to dippable proportion. We'll see how that goes. If you like the tomatoey taste, that's what the marinara sauce is all about. And I'm just going to wash this down a second. So I don't think you can get too much better than this. It's kind of a nice meal. And here this bread opens up like that. I don't know what that's all about. But it is what it is. So we'll get back to the pizza for a moment.
How is it?
It's good.
Out of the three that we filmed, Pizza Hut, Little Caesars, and Domino's, how would you rank them?
That's a question that a fella could get himself into a lot of trouble answering. But I'd put them, the way I look at it, all three of them, it's whenever I get any of them, especially with the veggie deal, it's a treat. So The differences might just be, personal preferences among people, but I wouldn't say disregard one because I'd rather have the other. They're all great. And this is in a way comparing apples to oranges because this is when they call this a deep dish, or they call it the pan pizza, right?
Pan pizza.
So it's a little bit different style of crust. And but I like them all. Definitely a pizza guy. And so somebody said, this one's the best. I go, yeah, it's the best. The other one that we usually get, is that the best? Yeah, it's the best. It's still the other one? No problems with that either.
Any final remarks?
Yeah, maybe I might have to test about another, at least 100 of these things just to make sure. You can stick the pizza in there, that marinara sauce. That's another way of doing it. Still don't know why this is open like this. But, oh, I see, that looks like cheese there. And again, what did we say before? Spinach? I'll say one thing to add on. I really like this marinara sauce. So I bought jars of it from the grocery store, and I don't seem to like any of those. I mean, they're okay, but it's not like this. Maybe it's because this is, a treat having a pizza delivered and so forth. Maybe that has something to do with it, but it does taste pretty well. So if they were to ever sell this stuff in larger quantities, and I might seriously consider becoming a customer. And also, some people just aren't tomato people. They don't like tomatoes, and they don't eat them. And this is a way to get the benefits of tomato through pizza and through this sauce. So are we to the point yet of saying subscribe and comment?
Yeah, you can wrap it up.
Okay. So that and thumb up and share.
So we got footage for a full video and then